Why did clinical trial endpoint definitions change over time? Have you ever wondered why the definitions of endpoints in clinical trials have evolved? This is an important topic for anyone interested in understanding how treatments are evaluated. Let's break it down. Clinical trial endpoints are specific outcomes that researchers use to determine if a treatment is effective. These can include survival rates, symptom improvement, or disease progression. Over time, the definitions of these endpoints have changed significantly. Initially, clinical trials focused on straightforward endpoints that were easy to measure, like whether patients survived or developed a disease. As medical knowledge has advanced, researchers have introduced more complex and varied endpoints. For example, surrogate endpoints are now used. These are biomarkers that can predict clinical benefits before the actual outcomes are seen. Another change is the introduction of combined endpoints. These group several outcomes together to provide a broader view of a treatment's effects. Additionally, patient-centered endpoints have gained attention. These reflected aspects like quality of life and symptom relief, which are crucial for patients. The shift in endpoint definitions also aligns with the need for better trial designs and regulatory standards. Regulatory agencies now often requiring endpoints that clearly demonstrate clinical benefits relevant to patient care. This means that the outcomes measured in trials must truly matter to patients and healthcare providers. Moreover, involving patients and healthcare providers in selecting endpoints has become more common. This ensures that trials focus on outcomes that influence treatment decisions and health policies. Sometimes, endpoints may change during a trial due to new scientific information or interim data. If researchers find that the original endpoints do not fully capture the treatment effects, they may adjust them. However, these changes must be managed carefully and reported transparently to avoid bias or misleading results. In summary, the evolution of endpoint definitions in clinical trials reflects advancements in science, regulatory expectations, and the goal of making trial results more meaningful for patients. This ongoing change helps ensure that clinical trials provide reliable evidence about how treatments impact health outcomes that matter most to individuals considering their treatment options.